Na ano pa po kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Onyangs Chicken Bagnet, Santo Entierro, Angeles City for sending us amazing dishes. Actually, by the look of it, they are absolutely appetizing. Alright, so let me introduce po yung kanilang mga pinadala. So on our left, meron po tayo ditong Chicken Bagnet, which is their staple product. Ito ang pinaka-highlight po ng kanilang mga produkto. Although again, may mga other dishes po sila na sinaserve, like this pork bagnet. So meron din po tayo ditong mga chicken wings. Now for the chicken wings, we have 5 available flavors, namely hot and spicy buffalo. Meron din tayong honey sriracha, garlic parmesan, honey barbecue, and Korean style. They come with Onyangs sauce. Wow! Grabe ang amoy. It is so heavenly. Now, speaking of sauces, available po yung kanilang Onyangs white sauce for sale. So, these are soon to be launched, no? If you are interested to know more about this, just check out their fan page. They also have this chicken oil. So, you include this actually sa hot rice and then, grabe, it adds more flavor into it. And then, lastly, meron po tayo ditong suka, which is for our pork and chicken bagnet. Lastly, in front of us, meron po tayong dalawang Korean dishes. So, meron po tayong tteokbokki and kimchi. Let's shake our itong suka natin, guys. Check that out. I like it so much. Ang dami niyang sili. Alright, I think that's enough for our tryout. Ila-lunch po very soon, so just check out their fan page if you're interested to try them as well. Okay, so let's get into the meat of the details. I'm gonna try first yung kanilang chicken bagnet. Very commonly, kapag pumupunta tayo sa Ilocos, usually yung mga pork bagnet yung mga nakikita natin. And surprisingly, available din pala siya sa mga chicken. Let me, dip this to our suka. Oh wow! That is an explosion of flavor. Grabe! Ang sarap ng suka. Ang sarap ng amoy nito, the aroma. Crispy in the outside and then so tender in the inside. So soft, guys. It's not dry. Now I'm dipping it again dito sa suka natin. Alright, so let's taste it again. Wow, grabe, ang sarap ng suka. The spiciness or the hotness ng chili natin is just perfect. So I'm gonna try now yung kanilang mga bagnet. Grabe, I don't know what juice. Okay, grabe. So I think this is the smallest slice. We still have, several pieces of huge cut bagnet. Wow! So may mga nalasahan pa akong mga herbs and spices dyan. For me, it's not the usual, parang crispy liempo or parang fried pork chop. It's not that usual dish. Actually, it has parang every portion ng meat natin and the fat has flavor, no? So let me proceed dito sa chicken natin. So again, they have 5 flavors. I'm gonna go try them without knowing first kung ano yung mga flavor nila. Wow, grabe. If I'm not mistaken, this is honey barbecue. Wow. Don't you just love chicken wings? So I'm gonna try now yung kanilang garlic parmesan, dipping it dito sa white sauce natin. And I dip it load full of the sauce. Wow. Grabe. So overload with Parmesan cheese. Ang sarap ng amoy ng garlic. I think yung garlic parmesan nila has raised the level of quality of the taste. According to our orientation with the owner, yung white sauce nila can actually be used sa mga vegetable salads, even yung mga fruits. And yeah, vegetable like this, no, celery. Oh, I love celery. Also have cucumber. So yan, yung white sauce natin, it's actually all around sauce. This is an absolute must try, guys. You gotta check them out. Ang sarap. If I'm not mistaken, this is their buffalo wings. Let me try it first. Oh yeah, it's hot. I like it. And it's buffalo wings. Ooh, this is finger licking good. Grabe, thank you so much Onyangs Chicken Bagnet for sending us. Probably lastly to taste is yung kanilang tteokbokki for the Korean. So you got your cheese on top. Ooh. Ooh. Annyeonghaseyo. It's so Korean. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for your time, for watching our vlog. If you are interested to check out their food, so they are located po sa Santo Entierro, Angeles City. They are also available via order and delivery. Just check out their fan page or the number we're gonna be flashing on your screens. They are also open for franchising. So if you want to start your food business, might want to check them out. So guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay safe, stay at home. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye!